I'll fill back the
12
I'll fill
boudins. So what do boudins indicate?
stretching.
Stretch part of the limb. And that's in slate. So we can indicate boudins here with their orientation. Big green dog has been by and left a deposit. And that is lithology number 1. And then at 13, we've got more parasitic folds in the limestone. So this is lithology 2. And the orientation of those parasitic folds is something like this. And we know that we're in the right way up part of the limb here. So, well, let's leave that for now. Let's try and interpret this part. So we've done this bit. We're not quite sure what's going on in the middle. We've got W folds here. We think this limb is overturned and it's quite steep. So we can sketch in. Where's our limestone? 3, then 1. So the limestone must be in between those two. Broadly following that bedding mesh. This is our marker bed, the limestone. This is overturned, that's fine. Have we got limestone anywhere else? Not really, but we think this is the hinge, so we can extrapolate the hinge along the strike of the cleavage and say the hinge must be up here somewhere. Does that make sense? So the hinge area is down here, so all these layers are folded like this within this part, and then we can draw that back round and continue the limestone above ground, something like that. Over here we've got shale, which is above the limestone, and it is the right way up. It's not overturned, and it looks like it's in the limb of a fold. So we can draw here's the limestone here, so the limestone is underneath that. So we can draw that part there, following the bedding. This is right way up, this is upside down. There must be a hinge in between them. This has to come round like that. That's the only way you can feasibly link those two parts up. And that's consistent with our cleavage. The cleavage is still actual planar to all of this. I think there's anything at 11 that's very useful. And then we're overturned again. At this point, what was this, 15, we don't know much about it, but we know that it's overturned. We've got sandstone 14 here. This is lithology 3. We've got sandstone at the end here. So this is all in the oldest part. This part is right way up, this part is overturned, so there must be another hinge, another anticlinal hinge through here. We can fold this round like that. So this part is in the upper part of the limb, this is in the overturned part of the limb. Let's bring our limestone round there. I'm tempted to say, can you guess what it is yet? But it's a bit too obvious at this stage. So let's then very quickly, we can mark in shale, here, sandstone down here, limestone in here, mark in the fold axes. This is anticline, there's a syncline, so anticline, there's an anticline, and sandstone, limestone, shale. And this is where it gets confusing. It's hard to link these up. We could try and link this part with this, do some convoluted folding there, but I think that's unlikely given the folding style here, and given that we think we've possibly got a fault in here. It's more likely that you can just put a fault in through there. So this is some sort of normal fault that has just displaced. Perhaps this comes around a bit like that. It's just displaced the fold structure across it. It's not terribly clear, and hopefully those are a bit more accurate and more colourful.